Let mom sleep in this Mother's Day while you prepare her the perfect treat to go along with her cup of joe when she decides to get up. Howard shows us how to make chocolate peanut butter twist in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
Over the years here in the Test Kitchen, we've shared all sorts of ideas to make mom feel special on Mother's Day. We've helped you make her breakfast in bed, shown you how to take the stress off of her at dinner time, and on and on. This year, we're making a rise and shine pastry that she can enjoy with her morning coffee that, well, let's just say it has a twist to it. We start by placing 2 sheets of frozen puff pastry that we've thawed on a cutting board. We spread one of them with a chocolate peanut butter spread. After that, we sprinkle it with some chopped peanuts. This is gonna be good. Next, we flip the other sheet of dough over the nuts and cut it lengthwise into 1/2-inch strips. For the twist, we grab each end of a strip and gently twist it, like this. Now we roll each one up and place them on a baking sheet. After tucking in the ends and topping it with some melted butter and sugar, we bake them off. When these come out of the oven, they look so good, it's hard to believe how easy they were to make. But the true test comes when you serve these to mom. To get the recipe for our chocolate peanut butter twists, simply visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, wishing our moms and all moms a Mother's Day filled with lots of, ooh, it's so good.
But that'd be tasty with pecans too. You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.